hashish, brown, opium. Yes, what you want? Hashish, opium, grass. First you look. Opium, full power, 4 hour, good enjoy, really, man. And hashish, cream, manali, soft. Varanasi, possible everywhere. Buy openly, grass, no problem. But problem for the drugs. This don't do open. But ganja is no problem in Varanasi. If somebody do double cross, they make money. That people they do like this. They first sell and after behind come and policeman catch and make more money.
Exactly.
They do like this. But ganja no problem and very cheap. But one time you come to in my place.